Hi, I'm Owen,
Hi, I'm Debbie.
and we just had our kitchen remodeled by Kitchen Mart.
Yes.
And I will tell you that every time I come walking around that corner and I look over and I see this kitchen, it just feels great, man. This is awesome seeing what you guys did in here. If you were to see it before, okay, the before and after, it's pretty dramatic. And you know, you always hear about kitchen nightmares and kitchen remodeling nightmares. And no, this was like butter. It was just smooth from start to finish.
Right. The professionalism, the cleanliness when they leave at the end of the day.
Each part of the crew, everybody that came in, from demolition to the cabinet guys, to the countertop guys, to the finish work, painting. I mean, there wasn't a thing that was missed. And when it was done and we did like that final walkthrough, it was bam, it was spot on. When our family comes over and they come walking through that archway over there, and you know, we know they're gonna go, wow, it really is a dramatic difference.
My dream kitchen.
We gotta have you come in and do the master bath. And we're not even gonna shop around, and we're just gonna go to Kitchen Mart and have you guys come in and do it up for us. So my advice to anybody who wants to have one of these things done, just save yourself some time and effort. Just go to Kitchen Mart, man. You know, these guys, they know what they're doing.
No one does it better than KitchenMart.com.